Hi everyone, this is Dani Hoyo Padel Coach. We are in Sing Padel in Singapore, and today we will explain how to put one over grip on the paddle racket. Let's go! First step will be to remove the old one. Important, after take up the old grip, throw to the rubbish. It's not good to leave the grip on the chair, on the floor, on the bench. Not good for you, not good for the club, not good for everyone. You will see after take off the over grip, under this you will have or the original grip, or in this case we have one ESA cord. This is one device to hold better and to grip better the racket. Important, this material is like plastic, like silicone, and it's not good to play directly with this. We need to put above of this one over grip. That is what we are gonna do now. If we play directly with the ESA cord in contact with our hand, will be very slippery and not good for you. We will make one lace to the strap of the paddle racket. Please don't make it very hard, because if not, after this we will not be able to release it. We will open the over grip and we will put the sticker here. To don't forget, to don't lose, because if not we will not know where we put the sticker. Now we will remove the plastic of the grip, and remember to throw to the rubbish. Okay, so let's start with the important part. We will put the part of the adhesive here in the top of the racket. Then after this we will start doing one complete round. Okay, we will see that it fits right. Depends if we like or smaller or bigger, we will do another round, or we will start directly going down. So we will start going down, and you see that mark, so that is the mark that you should be following. If you follow that mark, you will be keeping always the same distance between this part. So we just need to follow this, follow, and to be honest, it's really fast to do it. Please don't pay attention on my nails. My mom always taught me that I shouldn't bite my nails. And after this we will arrive to the limit. If you see that your grip is really long and here you have extra grip, so you can cut with a scissors, or you can make strength and take it off. And after this we will make it more stylish. Okay, then we will remove the adhesive of this, and we will put like looking great. We will close this, close. Now here you have one last adhesive. We'll close it, and look how the grip feels. I think there is no better sensation than when you grip a new grip. So after this, to check if you are gonna win or not the next match, you need to, I think we are gonna win. After this you can release the strap, and then ready to play. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you like it. If you play paddle regularly, is one thing that you must know. So if you like, please subscribe to the channel. If you want me to talk about something, please put in the comments. And thanks so much for your support. See you in the next video.